The MOLY Robotic Kitchen. A game-changing step into the future of cooking at home, MOLY brings you the world's first fully robotic kitchen. The MOLY Robotic Kitchen allows you to save time, free up your day from routine cooking, plan and adapt your menu according to different diets and lifestyles, enjoy international cuisine anytime, control calories and get cooking tips and recipes from chefs around the world. Not only does the robot cook complete meals, it tells you when ingredients need replacing, suggests dishes based on the items you have in stock, learns what you like and even cleans up surfaces after itself. Vinci Kitchen. Vinci Kitchen is designed to cook perfect pasta dishes. The allure here is that pasta is relatively simple to make but appeals to a wide audience. In about 6 minutes, the robot creates, cooks, and serves the entire dish. It can also prepare 2 meals simultaneously. Best yet, the robot even cleans the dishes. Although Vinci is focusing on pasta right now, the startup also has its sights set on other foods. The system it is developing is modular, making it possible to swap equipment to prepare different dishes. Things like salads, stir-fry, or tacos could all be on the menu. The mechanical chef. Have you ever wished you had a robot in the kitchen that prepares a meal automatically when you come back from work? The intelligent mechanical chef can cook several Indian cuisines with a minimum of human intervention. The most exciting thing of all is that it can be installed in any traditional kitchen. It is a wooden model that has a rotating drum with several canisters for loading chopped vegetables, spices, etc., and a tank for water and oil. All you have to do is cut the vegetables and other ingredients and drop them in the pan over an induction plate. The induction plate is placed just below the rotating drum, which also has a stirring arm for cooking. The machine then takes over and does everything else to present a delicious meal for you.